Hello everyone, this is Tanya Pandey from Sari Mantra. We are the manufacturer and supplier of authentic Assam handloom from Assam. We hand weave the authentic Assam silk saris to Assam silk mekhela sadar, Assam cotton saris to Assam cotton mekhela sadar. Now in this very scorching heat and the humid weather, I thought to come up with video where I can show you a beautiful, lovely hand-woven Assam cotton saris. Today in this video, I'm going to showcase two beautiful 120 by 120 count cotton saris. Now the speciality of this 120 count cotton saris is this. It's very lightweight, very soft and very comfortable to drape. Now, the first sari that I'm holding, it's a beautiful pastel pista green color which has been crafted beautifully with the color of green and yellow. I hope you can see and understand how beautiful and intricately the motifs have been woven by our weavers. The entire body has got the beautiful flower motif which is in the color tone of dark green and the bright yellow. The yellow has pops out so beautifully, isn't it? The entire sari has got this buttas which runs all over the sari, and this is the blouse portion. This is the border portion of the blouse which you can design as per your choice and preference. The border of the sari is woven and then stitched over the sari. This is the border portion. Look at the intricately weaving pattern of this border. Isn't it beautiful and very pretty? This is the first sari, 120 by 120 count cotton. Comfortable to drape. You can drape it anytime, and trust me, you will not feel a bit uncomfort while draping this sari. So this is the first sari. Now we'll move on to the second one. So this is the vibrant second piece. This is also the 120 count cotton. Very festive color, very vibrant color, isn't it? This is a dual tone. The interesting color tone that we have used in this sari is the color mix of red and blue. Yes, you heard it. It's a color mix of red and blue, but the color tone of blue is very subdued because of the presence of red in the warp. You can see how bright it looks and a perfect drape for the festive morning. Now this uniqueness which cannot be left unsaid or unmentioned is the design motif. The palla that you see is a monikut motif, a very traditional motif, and it is rooted, deep rooted to the Assam heritage. This is the monikut motif of our Assam. You can see a very uniquely revived motif only by us. You can see the beauty and the intricate weaving pattern that has been done by our weaver. It's a complete thread work. No zari has been used in this sari. Now speaking for the butta is in the lovely color tone of white and yellow. The entire sari has got this butta. You can see how beautiful it looks. It's bright, it's vibrant, it's traditional. What more do you want? And more importantly, very, very comfortable to drape because of it being the 120 count. Now this is the blouse portion. The blouse has got this border which you can design as per your choice and preference. Now the border of this sari is little broader than the normal ones, but the border is also so pretty. The color yellow which has been given in this border portion pops out so beautifully. The border is a stitched border, meaning it has been woven separately and then stitched over the sari. How festive, bright, it adds color. I feel, you want to add color to your cotton collection. This can be one such sari that you can add to your wardrobe. So this is the second piece, a beautiful, very comfortable 120 by 120 count cotton for all of you. So if you like both of the sari and want to pick one or want to pick both the saris, please do contact us at the given number in the description box. And out there, any boutique owner who want to have such collection as a piece as your treasure box, and want to showcase it to your buyers, please feel free to contact us. We are very happy to serve you. We do ship worldwide. Our shipping is free all over India, and for the overseas, the shipping would be chargeable. Thank you so much for watching our videos, and do not forget to share, like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.